Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. Today I'm gonna show you how to log columns in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data where you want to log a specific columns. Click on the letter header of the column you want to log. For example, I want to log this column. Now all I have to do is select the cells and right click on them. And here we have this context menu. Now from the context menu choose format cells. We got the dialog box. Now navigate to the protection tab. Then go for locked option to indicate that this column should be locked. Click OK to close the format cells. Now to end cell logging, go to the review tab and choose protect sheet. Set a password if needed. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.